Mansi, go ahead, please.
Okay. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, in my very first interview, like
Mm-hmm.
the interviewing officer said that there has already been a lot of potential girls before you,
Hmm.
and seats are very limited.
Hmm.
So why should we select you? Like the reasons I was giving, like what are they expecting from me? Like the reasons I was giving about NCC and army background, all the stuff, he was like kind of ignoring them. Like he was saying that not this is not different. Like what else? What else? What else? He was
Hmm.
asking me in a series. So
Hmm.
what are they expecting out of you?
See, again, this is a fact. Now, there are a lot of other potential girls throughout the country, and even in that batch in which you went to give your SSB, there were a lot of potential girls. So, what makes you a potential candidate? Why should we select you? उसका answer तो standard है. Why you want to join, your motivation, and what makes you a good candidate? Whether you are confident yourself, or do you know whether you are suitable or not? So if you already know the answer, कि or let me ask you, do you actually feel you deserve to become an officer to get recommended?
Yes, sir, I do feel so.
So there must be some reason to it, na? You must be confident about your qualities, about your preparation, about your motivation to join service, about all the right things that you have done in your life, everything. So you build your answer on those only. Because I'm this candidate, this is why I want to join, and I have worked a lot for this, and this is my goal. That makes me a potential candidate, and that is why you should recommend me, because I have the qualities. I feel I am suitable for this job. You should recommend me for those reasons, for the right reasons. I'm just giving you an unstructured basic answer, but you frame your answer according to what you have in mind.
All right, sir.
All right.
Thank
You're welcome. All the best. Next, Aditi, go ahead, please.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, can we assume how well our interview has gone based on how long it lasted or how smoothly it
No,
went?
no.
Okay, sir. Also, I had this experience in my previous interview.
Hmm.
I scored around 80% in my 10th and 12th, but in graduation, I scored around 67%, sir. So instead of the IO asking me why there is a huge gap, I was asked why I got only 80% in my 10th and 12th. What could that mean?
Wait. Say again, 10th and 12th, 80%, and then graduation?
67%, sir. I wasn't
Okay.
asked why there
Huh?
was a degradation in marks. I
Mm-hmm.
was asked why I got 80% in the first place. Why only 80%?
Why only 80?
Yeah.
So that is not a huge gap. See, understand this. 10th and 12th mein scoring 95 is as good as graduation mein scoring 80 or 70. Depends on the course you take, on the university ka scoring system, everything. So 67 in your graduation may have actually been better than 80 in 10th and 12th. That may have been the logic, or it may have been sarcasm also. I didn't listen to the conversation or how it went actually. So I'm not sure. But obviously, if that question was asked, then yeah, why could you score only 80 and not 85, 90 or above? It's a basic question of why you could not do better only. Whatever your honest answer is, you will answer.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, you're welcome. Uh, Bhaskar, go ahead, please.
Hello, Jain sir.
Jai Hind.
Sir, I am asking that whenever I was in interview room, so I feel that my PIQ is not up to the mark. So
Hmm.
I feel that, sir, why I don't know, but I have 6 time conference out.
Hmm.
So every time I feel that like I have completed my graduation in 2023,
Hmm.
and from that period, all the time I mentioned that whatever the activity I did in my school and college, and I have also a little exposure of sports during my school's college and similar the extra co-curricular activity.
Hmm.
So that victim mindset, I don't know that why I feel that
Hmm.
my PIQ has become a major hurdle while I'm dealing with the interview.
See, that you feel, it need not be true. Why are you feeling insecure about your PIQ? I already told you, whatever you have written on paper has very less significance in your recommendation. It is important only to understand what you were as a person all your life, and whether that actually coincides with what you are performing as throughout those 5 days. Does not mean they are judging you on your PIQ. Even if you have no achievements, even if you have had backlogs in your engineering, if you have taken 6 7 years to complete basic engineering, even those people have got recommended it. And it goes on to say and validate this statement ki whatever you write on paper is not what they are judging you on. So whatever you feel कि तुम्हारा PIQ बहुत खराब है, बहुत basic है, need not be true. And I am sure your PIQ is decent only. It
Yes,
is
sir.
the
Sir, if
your potential which is coming out, your performance throughout those 5 days, and whether that behavior, those qualities that you are exhibiting, are they suitable for you to be put through military training and become an officer? That is the only thing they are looking for, whether to recommend you or not on your PIQ.
Okay, sir. Sir, is it important to inculcate those things that I am currently doing in my PIQ somehow, and
Like?
how I inculcate like that in achievement in extracurricular activities? Should I mention like I'm a working professional? So should I mention that whatever the working professional like that in my working, whatever the things I did, should I mention that in part?
See, they are asking for your work experience details, for what duration, etc. So usme you write the basic thing. You are working as a team lead, software engineer, whatever, for these many months, these many years, etc. And in the achievement section, write 1 or 2 key achievements or highlights which you want to convey or which you want to discuss on during the interview. Like any other thing, like CV में क्या क्या highlights डालते हो उसके basis पे तुम्हारा interview होती है. Similarly, on whatever you write in your PIQ, तुम्हारा interview होती है. As simple as that.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. That
Okay,
is
sir.
all.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. All the best. Krish, go ahead, please. Guys, we are running out of time. I have 7 more minutes, so be quick. And till the end of 7 minutes, how many ever questions I can, I'll take. Krish, go ahead fast.
Jain sir.
Zain.
Sir, my question is about the strength and weakness during the interview. Sir, if I mention the strengths are as I am disciplined, physically fit, and I am persistence, and my weaknesses are like English communication, computer knowledge, what will be it? How will it affect my performance?
It will not affect at all. What you said is perfectly all right. Your strengths are good and your weaknesses are not big weaknesses. English communication is not that important, although it is थोड़ा सा important है, but उतना नहीं है. And computer knowledge anyway they don't want.
So, sir, if they said I said that my weakness is English communication, will it affect
No.
that they are not expecting more from me in English?
So you can say, because you accept that it is your weakness, what are you doing to improve on it? Maybe the next question. So if you're doing anything, then it's good. Otherwise, it's bad. English communication weakness है आपको पता है ना, तो उस पे क्या कर रहे हो? Are you doing anything or not?
Yes, sir. I said that I am working daily on talking
Bas.
to myself
Then
in
good
the
only.
mirror.
Good then. Works.
Sir, will it affect when interviewing,
No.
sir?
Won't
Questions
affect.
to me and I hesitate during English communication. Will it affect or my respond matters?
How? तुम already बोल रहे हो. I've already answered your question. It won't affect you at all. And even during the interview, your English communication is anyway coming out. If you are not that comfortable, English communication उतना अच्छा नहीं है, and you are already accepting that you have that weakness and you are working on it, then it is good only ना. You have accepted कि ये weakness है and वो दिख भी रहा है and काम करने के लिए भी तैयार हो. So they are willing कि हाँ उसको पता है उसका weakness है, तो obviously. And English communication is not at all a big quality. वो आराम से सीख जाएगा कोई भी.
Sir, can I ask one more question?
Be quick.
Sir, as you told me that the interviewing officer asked like a question, do you watch porn? At a certain age, not everyone, mostly adults seen this. How should I tackle this question?
सच बोलो यार, देखता हूँ.
Okay, sir. Will it affect my performance or my...
कहाँ से affect होगा? You watch it and everyone knows it and you are saying it. Why will it affect?
Okay, sir. Sir, the personality should be honest. We should be honest to every answer.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Understood. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, you're welcome. Shreya, go ahead. Be quick. Shreya, are you there? Unmute yourself.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
So my question is like I am pursuing LLB and मैंने LLB इसलिए choose किया था कि
LLB?
I will go. Yes, sir.
Okay.
ताकि मुझे JAG entry भी मिल सके and after actually I completed my graduation in BCom. तो BCom में इतनी job opportunities नहीं थी.
ठीक है.
Then I choose LLB. तो अभी I am in final year. So should I practice in court or actually I don't get enough time to do this stuff. So should I go, or I said कि sir अभी तो मैं कुछ भी नहीं कर रही.
You are already answering it. What is the question here?
Okay, sir. Like, if
नहीं,
interview,
you know the reason
if
after
I
BCom
ask,
आपने LLB लिया है because you want to. Did you ask whether you should practice in court or you should just prepare for SSB? Was that the question?
my question is, should I go for practice in court, or मुझे उसकी जरूरत है नहीं अभी.
That is up to you. It's your personal choice. उससे आपका SSB affect नहीं होगा. In your personal life, if you want to practice, you practice. Otherwise, if you want to try for government exams or do anything else in life, that's up to you only.
Okay, sir. And sir, one more question. How to do self introspection?
There are a lot of tools. I think it will be covered in the coming sessions. And I told you these tools before also. Na? There is SWOT analysis. There is Johari window. There are some other tools. Just go online and search for self introspection tools or psychometric instruments. You will find a lot of questionnaires which are free of cost also. There are a lot of websites that give you. There will be a few questions. You will answer them, and towards the end of it, they give out a report which shows all the strong areas, weak areas where you can improve on in terms of your personality only. So those you can do. And introspection specifically for SSB, you can look back at your performance and see where all you went wrong, what you could have done better, and then try to improve on it. Like once you have basic knowledge of what they are expecting and what did you show, then you can bridge that gap. कि ये expected था, ये मैंने perform किया, तो इतना gap है. So these are the things I need to work on. That will be clear once you are clear with the basics and once you observe your own performance. कि कहाँ कहाँ पे क्या क्या किया. That you will do with yourself. Or you can come back and discuss with me or with any other people you know, and they can also help you in assisting you better in your introspection.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, all the best. You're welcome. Aditya, go ahead, please.
Hello. Sir, sorry.
There's a lot of noise in here, sir.
Sir, right now I'm traveling in the metro.
Oh, ask your question in the doubts group then. It's not at all audible.
Okay.
Yeah, Surya, go ahead, please. Surya, are you there? Go ahead, please.
Jai Hind, sir.
Jai Hind.
Sir, I have few questions regarding the interview. I've been to, SSB several times and I've been conference out twice. In my Navy Tech interview, there was a specific question where the IO asked me, given a parachute and if I'll have to wear a parachute and jump from this building, what are all the factors would I be considering? From this question, what is the interviewing officer wanting to judge or assess?
Wait. Repeat the question.
So the interviewing, he asked me, if at all, if I was given a parachute and if I was asked to jump off from the building using a parachute, what are all the factors would I be considering?
Answer na. What
I did answer there, sir. I did answer the wind speed and then the height of the building and the landing surface. But one thing I later realized was I didn't mention about the height.
Height of the building you just mentioned. अच्छा, वहाँ पे you didn't mention, is it?
वहाँ पे मैंने mention नहीं किया था, but this was all of a sudden, मतलब वो personal type question कुछ पूछ रहे थे and then बीच में this came.
हाँ वही. What are they looking for? Simple things, common sense, presence of mind, basic scientific aptitude. यही चीज है. And you answered well only. And एक चीज बोल गया height of the building ठीक है. But overall you understood the question. You could think on the spot and answer ना. That is all was expected.
Sir, I don't know if I was overthinking or what. GTO में in some places in individual obstacles in the commando task वहाँ पे I was fumbling, so I thought height का वो judge कर रहे whether I'm having height of fear or not, whether he wants to confirm.
Everything gets confirmed anyway. So what is your question in this?
Sir, the second question I have is NCC. I have completed NCC tenure and then but I didn't go to a single NCC a special entry attempt.
Why?
Sir, to be really honest, first thing was I wasn't prepared, sir, and most importantly, the selection ratio. The number of candidates reporting was more, and I'm a student actually, sir. So my father, finance का भी एक matter है. I'm still dependent on them, so I didn't want to use money.
हाँ तो वही बोलो. It is a good reason and वो सच भी है. बोल दो.
And sir, he asked me, the interviewing officer has asked me, diploma you have chose, like unlike like most of the people will choose 12th right after
Correct.
your but it was an family's decision that time. मतलब तब मैं ज़्यादा मतलब interested नहीं था and all. And then my sister was the one who was guiding me. So can I say this thing? And
Yeah.
the choice of the branch as well, ECE. Later I was interested in that. So can I say this thing?
Yes.
And sir, अब मैंने masters भी pursue किया है, and this is an actual question. मतलब you have pursued masters and then why are you coming to the army? मतलब why haven't you tried earlier? ऐसे पूछते हैं मतलब. So I was interested in higher studies, but but I'm also interested in joining the forces because of like इसमें भी there are high scope of research and all. So can I say this reason?
Yes.
And sir, one last question is right now I'm working, sir. I'll be starting working within a month. So my joining is on February 2nd. So if he'll ask me why specific this field, and then मैं उसके बारे में बताऊंगा and I'll say the benefits of it or like say why I feel I'm aligned to this job, and then this is kind of backing the current job I have. Then he might ask me, okay, then if this is this good, then why do you want to join the army?
ऐसे कोई नहीं पूछता. They also know there should be a solid backup. They know the uncertainty in getting recommended, in clearing medicals, merit list, बहुत चीज़ें हैं. Even during training, there are a lot of injuries that happen. People may leave. So all that they understand. They want practical answers only. So if you praise your current job, if you say everything is good, that does not raise questions on your motivation to join the forces. It is justified. You can be happy in your job and still try for the forces. You can answer जो भी चीज़ें हैं उसमें जॉब में अच्छी चीज़ है. You can praise that job.
Yes,
No
sir.
problem.
Just regarding the NCC special entry part, तो मैं like can I say this thing that
Yes.
funds वाला part and all of that? Okay, sir.
All right. Who else? Guys, I'm already out of time. I'm really sorry. Whoever is left, please ask your questions in the group. Discuss with each other. If still not clear, tomorrow I'll have an Instagram live during the evening. Exact time नहीं पता अभी तक. I'll confirm it in a few hours and post a story or I'll share a message in the group also. So you can ask any doubts there, regardless of which sessions you have attended, written exams, defense, SSB, anything can be asked. So all your generic doubts, I've been telling you, stick to only what has been covered in this session. It is important because we are covering concepts one by one and people may not be interested in your other doubts. So to make the learning experience rich for all, I try to ask only questions. I try to answer only questions related to that session. For all generic doubts, we have the Google form. You can ask me there, or you can come on Instagram live and interact with me there also. So please use those. And yeah, if there is any extreme emergency, if there is anything you want an immediate answer to, you can always directly message me also on Instagram or WhatsApp. And I usually respond within 24 hours. So that also you can use. Chalo, that is all. It's already 4 minutes late. So let's end this session. All the best to everyone. Let's continue personal interview discussion on Monday. Have a great weekend. Happy Saturday and Sunday. Maze karo. See you all on Monday. Bye bye. Jai Hind.